Hello everyone, it's Charlie and Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you another simple step-by-step wig install. This wig is from Luvme Hair. I received their 13x4 water wave wig, and this wig have undetectable HD lace. One thing I love about this wig is that it have a full frontal, so you're able to do more styles with it. You also have 4 combs and an elastic band. Here I'm showing you the undetectable HD lace and also the pre-plucked hairline. So I did go in and bleach the knots a little bit more to my liking, and then I washed the hair. So after I wash the hair, I go on to defining the curls, and all I'm doing is wetting the hair and adding in setting lotion. After I massage the setting lotion throughout the hair, I'm going in with my brush and defining the curl. So this is how the hair looks once it's air dry, and all I'm doing is taking some oil and I'm going to separate the curls. Now let me show you how easy it is to install this wig. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply the wig and adjust it to my liking. So next I'm pushing back the hair because I'm going to cut the extra lace that's on the side of my ear. I'm taking my peeking shears and I'm going to cut the extra lace across my hairline. Do y'all see this? The hairline look amazing. Okay, so let's move on to the install. It's so easy. So all I'm doing is using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold to apply it, and I will list all the products that I'm using with links down below in the description bar. So all I'm doing is applying the liquid gold across my hairline, and then I'm going to spread it out. I really like this product because it's very easy to use, it's not messy, it gives a good hold, and it's easy to remove. And then after that, I'm going to apply the lace on top, and I'm drying it with my fan. I'm applying my melting band while I'm freshening up the curls. Look how good the lace look. I'm loving this undetectable HD lace. The curls are gorgeous and it's easy to maintain. I only use water and like 2 products. Now I'm just showing you guys another style that I did. I seen something online, so I thought I'd give it a try. So yeah, so this is the final look. Comment down below and let me know what you all think. I think this unit is gorgeous. I love the lace, how it melts into my skin. The curls are beautiful. The hair is soft and the wig is not too full and not too thin. It's like just right. And they also gave me a coupon code for you all, so go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.